2024 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Its sensibility is matched by a spread of extra features, which include cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, blind spot monitor, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.